Let's take a look at a differentiation application question, increasing or decreasing function. Let's take a look at the concept. When we have fx to be increasing, the first derivative needs to be positive, more than 0. As for fx to be decreasing, the first derivative needs to be less than 0. So let's take a look at a function given to us. We're going to first find the first derivative, f prime x equals to, I'm going to apply a quotient rule without memorizing our formula. So let's put a long fraction line. We're going to differentiate one at a time, starting from numerator. E to x, let me differentiate. The answer will be 2e to x. If I differentiate the numerator, I'm going to copy the denominator. That's going to be a 1 minus x. A quotient rule, the middle is minus. Then I will differentiate the denominator now. The answer is a -1, and I will copy back the numerator, which is e to x. And the denominator here, we're going to square it, so I have 1 minus x squared. Now, notice what I did here was differentiate, copy, differentiate, copy. Okay, starting from differentiation of numerator, copy denominator, differentiate denominator, copy the numerator. So let's do a little bit of simplification. So I'm going to multiply this one in here. So I have 2e to x minus, I'm going to write it as 2x e to x. Negative is going to be a positive e to x over 1 minus x power 2. Let's add the like terms here. I will have 3e to x minus 2x e to x over 1 minus x squared. Now, also notice that you are given x is going to be more than 3 over 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize e to x out from here. Factorizing e to x from the numerator, what I have here is 3 minus 2x here. Looking at this expression here, I'm going to discuss 3 things. E to x is more than 0 for all real values of x. And 1 minus x squared is more than 0 for x not equals to 1 because we cannot divide by 0. So now I have these two are positive. Now let me take a look at this 3 minus 2x. I'm going to make use of what is given to me, which is x more than 3 over 2. So for x more than 3 over 2, what happened is that I'm going to rearrange these two. Division, move to multiplication. So I get 2x more than 3, followed by shifting 3. I'll have 2x minus 3 more than 0. Now notice that my expression here is 3 minus 2x, which is the opposite sign of this one here. So I'm going to multiply a negative. I've got a positive. I multiply a negative here. I have 3 minus 2x now. Remember this inequality. I'm going to change the sign to less than 0. Let's take a look at a discussion here. We have these two, which is this and this are both positive. And the last one, 3 minus 2x is negative. So which means if I have this as positive, this as positive, and this as negative, as the whole thing, f prime x is going to be negative. So I'm going to write here, since f prime x is less than 0, therefore fx is a decreasing function. So that's all for the discussion of differentiation application question for today.